Are you stuck in your career because you don't have the right data skills? And still working only on data entry and simple Excel reports with very limited job opportunities? Today, companies are looking for data analysts and business intelligence professionals, but without these skills, you get left behind. Right now, more than 80,000 plus data analyst jobs are open in India, and over 40,000 plus Power BI jobs are waiting. And around 1.2 million plus overseas data analytics job opportunities globally. But the question is, are you ready for them? Introducing Data Analytics using Power BI, Course Code DA101 by RanBros Global. In just 3 months, with only 4 hours per week, you will learn advanced Excel formulas, pivot tables and Power Query, data cleaning and transformation, and Power BI dashboards, DAX functions, and interactive reports. Through hands-on learning and mini projects, you'll build job-ready skills in data analysis, visualization, and reporting. Whether you are a student, a graduate, or a working professional, this course opens the door to AI, analytics, and entry-level data analyst jobs. Beyond this, we also provide degree and diploma programs in AI, data science, and cybersecurity, with practical training that builds real job-ready skills. Upskill today and unlock the career you've been waiting for.